Well, hello, Professor. Today I'm going to talk about the PDF of z equals to x minus y, and here fxx is equals to e to the minus x, and fy is equals to e to the y, and here the x and y are independent, so we can calculate the fxy is equal to e to the minus x plus y when x and y are both greater than 0 and 0 otherwise. So I will first find the limitation of z, because z is equals to x minus y, so we can get that z is from minus infinity to infinity. And here I want to split z into two different scenarios, which is z is greater than 0 and z is less than 0. And here I want to first sketch the line of z equals to x minus y, and it's like this line is y equals to x minus z, and because the probability of x minus y is less or equals to z, so y must be greater than x minus z. So this is shaded area, and we know that x and y must be greater than 0. So this part is the limitation of z, and we can find that y is from 0 to infinity, and x is from 0 to this line is x equals to y plus z. And the distribution function of ft, z when z is greater than 0 is 0, infinity, 0, y plus z, e to the minus x plus y, dx, dy. And the second scenario is when z is less than 0, the line of z equals to minus y when z is less than 0 is like this. And this point is minus z, and we will also y will be greater than x minus z, and so this shaded area is the limitation, and we can find that y is from minus z to infinity, and x is from 0 to the x minus y plus z. And here the distribution function of z when z is less than 0 is 0, it's minus z and to the infinity, and 0, y plus z, e to the minus x plus y, dx, dy. And then using the differentiation, we can find that the PDF of z of f dz is the distribution function of fd or dz, and we can get that fdz will equals to 0, infinity, e to the minus y plus z plus y with dy when z is greater or equals to 0, and minus z and infinity, e to the minus y plus z plus y dy. And here is z is less than 0, and here we can calculate like to extract e to the minus z, because it's dy, and e to the minus 2y dy. The limitation is from 0 to infinity when z is greater than 0, and also when z is less than 0, also extract e to the minus z to product minus z, infinity, e to the minus 2y dy. And here, after my calculation, I found that when z is greater than 0, f dz will get half of e to the minus z. And when to calculate this, we can find the ultimate solution is e to the minus z product half of e to the 2z. Well, it will equals to half of e to the z. And here, to make a summary of these two different scenarios, fcz will equals to half of e to the minus absolute value of c, and the limitation of c is from minus infinity to infinity, and here is the product of fcz. That's all. Thank you.